Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing intermittent fasting, a popular diet trend that has been gaining popularity in recent years. Intermittent fasting is not just about losing weight, it has many health benefits as well. In this video, we will be giving you a beginner's guide to intermittent fasting and show you how you can improve your health and achieve your weight loss goals. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves periods of fasting followed by periods of eating. There are several different methods of intermittent fasting, but the most popular ones are the 16/8 method, the 5-2 diet, and the eat-stop-eat method. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. The 5-2 diet involves eating normally for 5 days and limiting calories to 500 to 600 on the other 2 days. The eat-stop-eat method involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has many health benefits. One of the biggest benefits is weight loss. By limiting the time you eat, you consume fewer calories overall, which can lead to weight loss. Intermittent fasting also helps to improve insulin sensitivity, which can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. It can also reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to many chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Additionally, intermittent fasting has been shown to improve brain function and increase longevity. How to get started with intermittent fasting? Getting started with intermittent fasting is easy. The first step is to choose a fasting method that works for you. We recommend starting with the 16/8 method as it is the easiest to follow. Next, choose your eating window. This is the time during which you can eat. We recommend starting with an 8-hour window, such as 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. During the fasting period, you can drink water, coffee, or tea, but avoid adding sugar or cream. Once you get used to the 16/8 method, you can experiment with other methods such as the 5-2 diet or the eat-stop-eat method. Common mistakes to avoid. There are a few common mistakes to avoid when starting intermittent fasting. One of the biggest mistakes is to overeat during the eating period. It's important to eat a healthy, balanced diet and to listen to your body's hunger signals. Another mistake is to ignore the quality of the food you eat. Just because you're fasting doesn't mean you can eat junk food. Make sure to eat nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. There you have it, a beginner's guide to intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a great way to improve your health and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, it's important to choose a fasting method that works for you, to eat a healthy, balanced diet, and to avoid common mistakes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.